Today, we'll be discussing new construction and the effects it has on the market. Hi, this is Tim Cowan.
And I'm Jennifer Cowan with the Cowan Connection team here at Keller Williams Realty in Cobb County in Metro Atlanta. Welcome to our video blog. Today we'll be discussing new construction and the effects on the market. But before we begin, I would like to draw your attention to two links on our blog. First, if you're looking to sell a home, click the free home value report link, or if you're looking to buy, click the search all homes for sale for the most up-to-date information for the homes on the market in our area. Now back to our topic.
Got a couple stats I wanted to share with you to look around. We've seen a very strong seller's market here for the past couple years in Metro Atlanta. The reason being we've been in such a seller's market is because the inventory has been extremely low. The reason the inventory has been extremely low is the new construction didn't really exist between 2009 and 2013-ish range. They quit building homes. The inventory kind of dried up a little bit. 2013, 2014, and especially here in 2015, we've actually seen the new construction start back and all the Metro Atlanta counties coming back pretty strong. Share a couple stats with the four major counties here in Metro Atlanta. So currently, Cobb County in new construction has sold 62 homes that were built in 2015. There's currently 266 homes that are actively on the market built in 2015. This is a big difference from what we're seeing in the resale market, where there's about a 2 to 3 month inventory in most of Cobb County. And if you can look at the inventory building back up of new construction, it should get us back towards a balanced market. To give you an idea of what the other Metro Atlanta counties are doing, Fulton County has currently 402 active homes built in 2015 with 102 sales. DeKalb County has 175 active homes built in 2015 with 88 sales. And in Gwinnett, there's 334 active homes built in 2015 with 208 that have sold so far this year. Now, when we're looking at resale homes and average price points and new construction homes and average price point, there's a big difference. And I'll give you some more stats to go off of. The average sales price of new construction homes, and these were ones that were built in 2015, in Cobb County is $397,000. In Fulton County, $528,000. In DeKalb County, $489,000. And Gwinnett is $258,000. So if we compare that to the average price point of resales, we see that the new construction is entering the market at the very top end, especially in the Metro Atlanta counties that are closest to the perimeter and the downtown area. So how does new construction affect the market and what we're going to see towards the end of 2015 and 2016? The inventory that has been such a low inventory in a seller's market will balance itself out. We see signs of it coming. There's new construction popping up everywhere. Very strong new construction in the 55 and up market. Very strong new construction in the luxury market. So as other homeowners are upgrading or deciding to downsize into a 55 and up, it'll free up the market and it'll free up the inventory and will become much more of a balanced market. So if you're looking to buy or sell a home in today's market, it's very important to understand the inventory levels and how that's going to affect you. If you need to know more about it or you need to know more about new construction, we'd be glad to talk to you about it. Please give us a call, 678-631-1758. Look forward to talking to you soon.
So thanks for watching our video blog. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home, call or email us today for a free real estate consultation. Thanks again and have a great day.